So today I have a trick lined up for you that could possibly fool magicians. Again, depends on if you're fooled. If you're a magician and watching this and you get fooled, then it works. Otherwise, it's a lie. Then it's all a lie. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be showing you a card trick that I got from my buddy Robert Ball Magician over on his channel. And it was such a cool performance that I'm like, I need to perform this trick for you guys. So here I am doing it today. And if you guys don't know Robert Ball Magician, I'll put his channel description and you know what? I'll put his channel link in the description so you guys can go and check him out. So that being said, let's do it. All right, so let's get started. Take these cards out. We don't really need the box anymore. And I'm going to have the spectator go ahead and shuffle up these cards as much as they'd like. As long as they don't tear up the cards, I think we should be good. All right, there we go. Got some messy shuffles as well. So once the spectator is satisfied with the shuffling, they're going to go ahead, put the deck down right here. Now, me being the performer, I'm going to go ahead and close my eyes or turn around. And from this point on, I'm just going to instruct the spectator on what to do. So first thing I'm going to do is tell the spectator to cut somewhere on the deck and take a look at the card that they cut to. So for example, they cut the deck somewhere. They're going to take a look and remember this card. So they can do that now. Hopefully we got that memorized. Now at this point, they're going to turn this packet face up. And again, me being the performer, I have my eyes closed right now. Now they're going to shuffle these two packets together. One half face up, one half face down. Shuffle them together. And they can give the deck a cut like this. And if they want, they could even turn it over. That'll mess me up even more. Okay? So once that's done, I'm going to come back as a performer. And I'm going to spread out through the cards and tell the spectator that they cut to anywhere they wanted. They flipped up half the deck, shuffled it in with the other half, and now the cards are all mixed up and face down like so. So now I have absolutely no idea where their card is, but here's the cool part. We can actually go ahead and figure that out. All right, so I'm going to go through the cards like this, one at a time. And I'm just going to read the spectator's face. Okay, so I can tell that none of the face-up cards here, none of the face-up cards here. All right, no problem, no problem. Look at that ace, by the way. That's a nice-looking ace. Look at that. All right, I got distracted a little bit, but that's fine. I feel like I saw like a hint. I saw like a hint of something. So I'm telling you, your cards face up in this pile here. So let's just get rid of all the face down cards. Yep, that should be good. So your card's somewhere here. It's not in this messy pile. It's here somewhere. I can feel it. I can feel it. Now, pick a color, red or black. Black? Well, I'm telling you, your card is indeed black. So let's get rid of all these red cards over to the side. Now, we still have a couple of cards left. Alright, face cards, non-face cards. You want to go with face cards? So obviously this is some reverse psychology right here. So we're going to get rid of the face cards. And we have 3 cards remaining. Whew, okay. I'm going to turn these cards face down. I want you to go ahead and select any of these cards. This card right here. All right, we'll get rid of that. Put that over to the side. Now there are 2 cards left. Go ahead and select one. This card right here. And you're sure about this? All right. So here we go. 1 card remaining, 1 card only. And that's your selected card, the 3 of spades. Now, I don't know. This trick may or may not have fooled you, depending on your level of card magic expertise. But regardless, I'll have the tutorial coming out 24 hours after the release of this video. So in the meantime, you can go and check out that video right there. And I'll see you there. Peace out.